Let's see how you can easily build a Facebook AI agent that can simply respond to any questions about your business and also collect customer details as well. So you can build this in just a few minutes without any coding experience as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect your Facebook page on Chatic Media. So to do that, simply click on channels over here and choose the channel you want to connect. So in this case, we want to connect the Facebook page. So here we have already connected the Facebook page, but if you wonder how to connect your Facebook page, here we have a guide as well, help center, choose a Facebook page messenger automation, and here if you come back to settings, channels, choose Facebook page, you will see a connect option over here, and then you will be prompted to log in with Facebook and choose your Facebook page you want to connect, and simply choose the Facebook page and connect it. That's it. So you will need just a few seconds to connect your Facebook page, and then you also need to connect the API keys from any of the AI models you are planning to use. For example, if you want to use the OpenAI, then you need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI. If you want to use other models like Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, you need to do the same as well. So if you are wondering how to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform, again we have a simple guide which explains in details how to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So you will need to simply log in here with your own ChatGPT account and create a new secret key and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of AI chatbots powered by OpenAI on the Facebook page, which is already connected over there. So just for a demo, let's see how to build the AI agent for this specific education company, which is called as EduXL Academy. So here we have collected all the information about that specific company, including their details, their programs, their deadlines, admission information, pricing, and all the details you can find right here. We have some frequently asked questions as well. So likewise, you need to actually grab all the information about your own business. For that, you can also use this particular prompt generator tool over here, where you can simply enter your website address and grab all the information from your own website and use that information for the AI agent we are going to create. So to create the AI agent, you have to come back to the AI hub over here and create a new AI agent. So let me create a new one, and let me name this one as this particular company, EduXL Academy. So let me name that particular AI agent as this particular company. Continue. And here you have to add all the information about your AI agent. And another thing is that you can even upload PDF files or any other files and provide that information to the AI agent as well. For now, let's just update only the text information over here and use that. So for that, let me copy all this information over here and paste it right here. So we say you are a helpful assistant to this specific company. Respond to customers' questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. And here, using the AI agent, you can collect customer details as well. For now, let me click save over here and come back to the AI tools later by collecting the details as well. So let me save it. So the AI agent has been created. So now let me go to the AI tools, and here, as I mentioned earlier, you can simply upload specific files right here. And if you want to provide information to the AI agent through specific files, you can do that. Once you upload here, then you have to come back to the AI agent and choose the specific file where you want the AI agent to respond using. So here you can see all the uploaded files as well. And if you want to collect specific customer details, you can do that as well. So go to AI tools and AI functions. So here you can actually create an AI function to collect specific customer details as well. For example, let me create a new one. So here let me create a new AI function saying new application request to enroll in a course or program. So here, what does this function do? So let me say allows the user to submit a new application to enroll in a course or program. So what details I want to collect? So I need to collect the name and let's say full name. So let me say full name here as well. And I also want to collect their phone number as well and choose phone number. And let's say I want to collect the program or the course they are interested to join. So here, if you don't have a custom field, you have to create that particular custom field before to add that right here. So let me see if we have any custom fields related to course or program. So we don't have any custom fields. So let me remove this one for now and click save over here. It's just saved for now. So now let me go to the flow section, choose a custom field, and let me create a new custom field and we can keep this as text field. All right, and here let's say program or course details. All right, so that has been created now. So let me go back to the A hub, choose a tools, a functions, and go back to the same new application request to enroll in a course or program. And let me say program or course details, and here choose that one, program or course details. So here we are collecting all these details from a customer. So once these details are collected, you can actually trigger a specific flow and notify the agents over there, or otherwise you can simply send a confirmation message as well. So let's do a flow. Again, let me click continue over here and come back to the flow section, and let me create a new one, and let me say new course program application request. Click continue. So here you can send them a specific message. For example, let me send this message: thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon. And let me assign this to one of the agents so they'll get notified and they can follow up with the user as well. For example, actions, inbox. And here if you have multiple agents and you want to assign randomly to one agent, you can do that using the auto assign to admin as well. So here you can choose which agents you want to assign, so it will actually get assigned to only one of these agents based on the equal conversation distributed all time, last hour, 8 hours or 24 hours. So you can do that. So this particular conversation to assign one of the agents right here based on the equal conversation distribution, so we can do that as well. And make sure to publish this one. All right, it's published. So keep in mind the flow name is new course program application request. So now we have to come back to the AI hub, AI tools, AI functions, choose the specific AI function or flow, this one. All right, so now we have created this particular AI function which is called as a new application request to enroll in a course or program. All right, so now we have to go back to the AI agent and activate that specific function we have just created. So here choose a tools and choose the function which is new application request to enroll in a course or program. So that's the A function, and by default you will see this A function connect user to human. So what happens is that the AI chatbot will automatically hand over the conversation to the human agent when a customer really want to talk with a human agent. So that's happens automatically, and it will automatically post the chatbot as well. So here we can also add a prompt right here saying trigger the AI function new application request to enroll in a course or program if a customer wants to join a program or the course. Very simple. Save it. All right, so now we are done with the setup. Make sure to activate this one or set this as the default agent over here. All right, set up as the default agent and come back to settings, integrations, choose OpenAI and make sure to switch this on, so it will simply use the default agent we have set up to respond to user messages. So this can simply work on all these channels including the Facebook page. So here we have connected all these channels, so it will simply work on all these connected channels. So you don't need to build separate flows or AI agent for specific channels. So once you can simply build an AI agent here and install or have it working on all these channels effortlessly. So now let's test how this actually works. So here let me go to the Facebook page connected over here. So this is a Facebook page, and let me send a message and see how this actually works. What programs do you have? So here let me send a message asking about the program and see how this actually works. So it says edXL offers a variety of programs including undergraduate degrees, graduate degrees, and certificate programs, online courses across multiple fields. So let me ask about the certificate programs they have. Okay, that's great. Can you tell me more about what sort of certificate programs do you have? So here let me ask about the certificate programs they have and see how this actually works. So it says we offer certificate programs in digital marketing, project management, data science, teaching English as a second language, sales care management, each with credit hours ranging from 12 to 21. All right, so let me see. Okay, that's great. I am interested in the data science certificate program, how to enroll. So let me send this and see how this actually works. So it is to enroll in the data science certificate program, you need to complete an online application and submit the required documents. I can assist you with starting the application process if you provide your full name and phone number. So it's simply first send that information to the staff or the agent, and then they can actually handle from there to see if they actually qualified. For example, let me say, sure, my full name is John Justin, and you can reach me at 917-243-5600. Alright, so here I provided my name and phone number. Let's see what happens over here. It says thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon. Simple. So it simply collected all the customer details as well. So now if I go back to the inbox, we should be able to track the conversation just happened over here, and this is actually assigned to one of the agents as well. And here you can find their phone number provided right here, and also the program they are interested in, which is a data science certification program. And from here an agent can easily send any sort of messages right here to the customer using this unified inbox as well. And through these pipeline boards you can also manually or automatically manage leads as well. For example, let me add a new pipeline opportunity center. You can also automatically send the leads to this specific stages over here and track those leads effectively as well. And otherwise you can also manually add leads right here as well. For example, let me say I want to add this lead John Justin over here, and you can add specific names as well. For example, this customer is really interested in data science program, and you can set up specific values as well. And here save it. So here I have added this particular customer to this specific opportunity, and once they actually get enrolled you can actually track different stages as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build a Facebook AI agent. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.